Welcome to another episode of Jose's Hustle NJ Edition. Today I'm working on my 2010 Ford Raptor. I am putting on a intake and exhaust since I haven't got around to upgrade this vehicle. But stay tuned and I'll show you how this is done. Make sure you follow and subscribe to make these videos keep happening. aFe power, and bought this on Facebook. I had to drive about 2.5 hours to York, PA to buy it. I saved myself $200, so that's why I had to go that far. And it's brand new, never been used. License plate cover. aFe power. So what we're doing here, we're gonna take this off. You're gonna have to pop those clips out. 3 clips, connector, and then we gotta go through the box. We'll remove the box from there. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're gonna start by removing these clamps. Just loosen them up. Okay, it's an 8mm bolt. This connector has a push pin over here on the bottom. Just push that, slide it out, move it out the way. 3 clips to hold the air box. Intake. Actually, you only had to loosen up one. And I had a K&N filter. It's pretty dirty. So then, one bolt. 2 bolts. Got the hose over here. 2 hoses. 3 other hoses. Pop those off. And there you have it. Now it's getting ready to install the other one. Clean this up nicely and make it fresh. Going as I'm removing the throttle body to clean it from the inside off. And you can reuse the seal that's here. This seal, just clean it off. And there's the throttle body. And the back of it is dirty, so we're gonna clean that off now. Get some gum gutter, and you just pretty much just spray a rag with it, get it soaked, and then just clean around it, make it fresh. And that's pretty clean now. Yeah. Now I'm gonna clean up right here around the seal, and I'm gonna, sand these down a little bit with some Scotch scuff pad. Right. So I got my Scotch pad. Now I'm just gonna go around it. And you have it. It's pretty clean now. I'm gonna get all that off because it's corroded, but where the seals is where that inside ring is. So I just do this just to make it fresh. And then what I'm gonna do is clean this right here. Looks pretty fresh now. Now I just gotta mount it back and torque it down. And I'll show you how to do that. So I got a torque wrench. I'm gonna set them 10mm. Each bolt. Okay, so I'm going to install our air filter. So they come with pretty nice bolts. And then you just got to line up the bolts there. put the filter in here. It's a pretty big filter. Filter just goes in here like this. Line it up. And that should be ready to install on the truck. Fresh filter. We're gonna install it on the vehicle. It'll help with that. This has they go in there like that, and then you clip on that one, this one. So that side should be clipped in, just 2 pieces there, and then this one's just hanging. I might take it off just for cleaner look, doesn't make noise. And now I'm gonna show you guys how to install the rest of the intake. So this comes with this piece right here. This screws into the bolt that came out of over here by the alternator. Just hand screw on there. You can't get it past anymore. It's rubber, so it's flexible. And it comes with this coupler, and it comes with 4 clamps. Oh, I forgot to plug in the. Don't forget to plug in the throttle body. Make sure this works out. So I'm gonna stick it in here. And don't forget to take out the sensor. That's what I did. I forgot. So I'm putting my airflow sensor with a massive airflow sensor cleaner. And then this goes in here. One of 2 ways. And then it comes with bolts on the kit. Slip this in here. Slip that in there. Line up the bracket. And slip this in here. So we can bring this over. That's it. Comes with a washer. Nut, and tighten that down. Now I gotta hook up the vacuum lines, and that's it. Alright, so this have a clips on there. All you gotta do is slide these like that, and then pop it off on both sides. I'll show you that earlier. And this is the factory one, so I'm not gonna use that. That's how you remove that. And also the other one over here just pulls right out. That one. So there are 2 different sizes, so all you gotta do is pop the one here, and then pop it in here, and that's one, and then the PCB down on this side. You don't need to be clamped or anything. Just do like that. That's that. Don't forget the mouse airflow sensor. And then I'm gonna put this on here. That's it. And that's how you install an intake on a full Raptor 6.2 liter. Here it is. All done up. Now I'm gonna install exhaust. Let's turn it on, see how it sounds.